This is the complete workflow. It's running once a day. It get all of the channel. Now we are checking either the channel is inactive from last 3 days or last 1 day. If you have a costly CRM to manage all of your business leads, then it's easier. You have follow-up stages, and based on the stage, the CRM will automatically send email reminder or other alerts to the prospects or the clients. But if you are managing all of your business from Slack and you want to give follow-ups to your clients, that is gonna be a lot more hectic. So in this automation, we will see how we can automate those follow-ups and how you can set up reminders in Slack to handle the follow-ups intelligently. Why follow-ups are important? Most of the sales take like 4, 5 or 6 follow-ups to close a lead. So that's why it's very important, so that you can reduce your lead gen cost per lead and get more and more productive by closing more leads. This is the complete workflow. Let me tell you how it starts and how it works. First of all, it's running on a schedule. It's running once a day, and then it get all of the channels, mainly the channels that are private and that are not archived. After getting the channel, it exclude all the channels that are our internal team is using. And how it exclude internal channel, that is from a notation, because we used ADH team in our team channels. So it exclude all of those channels. Also, if there is a channel, internal channel that usually have 2, 3, 4 members, so we are skipping any channel that has less than 5 members. You will have your own criteria here as per your company policies, and we can apply those filters dynamically to handle that scenario. Now we are checking either the channel is inactive from last 3 days or last 1 day. This is a little different automation. In this example, we will mainly discuss this particular thing. If a channel is there and it is inactive from last 3 days, then we will check either the channel is created in last 10 days or not. Why? Because if a lead came in last 10 days, that is usually warm. After 10 days, I am expecting that project is either closed by another person or the client dropped that project. But if the lead came in last 10 days and we had not done any conversation in last 3 days, that means that lead is active for me. Again, this is depending upon the platform. This could be different. Then I am applying a limit to just avoid false positive here, or like 5 or 10, whatever, how many you can handle in one go. Okay, so next, what it will take, it will get history of a channel. It will take all of the messages that happened in that particular Slack channel in last 10, 20 days. It will exclude all of the text information, clean it for to avoid any links, any files and all that, and prepare a beautiful 1 paragraph message. And it is also replacing the users. So for example, I have 5 or 10 users in a channel, but I want to show the conversation just between 2 users. I don't want to confuse the AI. I wanted to take all of the messages. If it is coming from alpha, beta and gamma, consider it development team, and if it is coming from A, B or C, then consider it client. This conversation shows a flow between a client and a team. And then we are checking if there is, again, last message is from the team. If there is a last activity within 3 days, just skip this particular channel and move to the next one. But if there is no activity in last 3 days, then proceed to the next things. We are keeping only textual messages, deleting anything else, either it is image or video, because we don't need that. We are not gonna process it in this workflow. It is keeping last 50 messages because that have most of the context, and also the top messages on the top, so that it get more priority. The recent messages will get more priority. Then all of these are being passed to an AI agent, where you have the prompt like you are a top rated AI engineer, data analyst and automation engineer, you are blah blah blah, and you will give the replies to the client. It will give the message and reply. Two things. Why two things? Because we are scoring the lead based on the conversation. Either it is a warm lead, either we should give a follow-up or not, or we should totally skip it. If we should give a follow-up, what you suggest? Write 3 follow-ups for that. So it will send a message, and in the reply it will send all of the details. So this is how it ends. Now let me show you a live example of that. So here is the demo. Here we have a message that came at 2:16. What happened is on 10th, so here we have the Slack, and this is a message that we got from the bot. Why it sent the message? You see, the last message that this channel received was came on 10 December, and today it is 13 December. Just 3 hours ago it is for 14 December now. So we got this message where it is scored the lead. It is like 7/10 score. Status is budget constraint. Client asked to compare option. Price is an issue here, and client showed interest and provided detailed scope but need ROI or demo. In the reply, it wrote 3 follow-ups for me that I can use. I can take an initial draft to start from. So this is how it's working, and it will send these notification in multiple channel. It is in running. If we go to execution, so you will notice that like it ran for 6 minutes here. It processed 10 items and sent like 10 reminders at this particular instant. If you want to use it, this is a very brilliant way to give the follow-ups to your clients, to be notified in the channel and to see a bigger picture without reading all of the messages in the Slack. You get very clear crisp picture in at the end, and also you are notified in a channel if it is inactive from 3 days, and if the lead came 10 days ago. You can get the copy of this workflow from the description. See you in the next video.